Hi, I'm Maggie-Calister, and I have been in the business of real estate for close to 19 years. Most houses are pedestrian, and occasionally you get that exciting house, and this is one of those. This house is amazing. It's a good vibe house. It's a house that's hard to leave, a house easy to love. Come on, let me show it to you before the broker opened. This is the first time it's been open in years, and when they bought it, they had a lot of work to do. They did the work, and it's time for them to start their new chapter, but maybe you can begin yours here. Come on. Oh, there's Henry, my helper. Oops, just left. Henry the helper cat. This is the absolutely beautiful living room, dining room, sitting room combination. And these floors are Brazilian wood floors. Each plank is done by hand. They're really exquisite. And this fireplace surround and mantle are so beautiful, so unusual. This is a great fireplace to warm up to, read a good book. Okay, and we're going to move on to the kitchen. This is a house built in 1948, so it's a mid-century contemporary split. It's a very unique layout, and it really works well. It's got a great flow. So this is the drink room. This is before dinner. And then we'll move into the kitchen. Quartz countertops, brand new appliances, beautiful backsplash, double stainless steel sink. Now this room leads out to the very sweet patio, which is sort of like, a private sanctuary. And then goes back to the backyard as well. Then we'll take up to the family room. So your family can be within an earshot while you're cooking, but not right on top of you. This room is amazing. Look at that view out the window. I mean, it's just so stunning with the soaring ceiling, so much light. And then they set up a little homework area here. And then we'll move very quickly to the next level. So now we're on the second level. And now we're going to go up one more level to the third level, which is the living area, bedrooms, and 2 full baths. This is a bedroom office, currently being used as an office, but can certainly be a bedroom. Here's a retro bathroom. If you don't like retro bathrooms, this will be your project. Everyone likes a project. Moving down the halls, bedroom 2, which they use as a guest room. Bedroom 3. Each room is so light and has a beautiful view of the mountain behind. And here's the master suite. This bedroom has radiant heated floors. The whole house has central air, and it has radiant heat. It has forced hot air and baseboard electric heaters. And here's the look at this. I mean, come on. This is the master bathroom that we're going to look at. This also has radiant heated floors, completely updated. There's also a lower level, and I don't have time to show you that, so come here Sunday or contact me for an appointment and I'll show you the rest of the house. It's Maggie, M-A-G-G-I-E, letter C for Callister at kw.com. Contact me and I'd be happy to give you a private tour. Bye.